So, if ChatGPT is not working for you in 2026, don't worry because in most cases, the problem is actually very easy to fix. Maybe the page won't load, maybe responses stop generating, or maybe the platform freezes completely. So, in this video, I'm going to show you the most common problems and exactly how to fix them step by step. All right, first problem, the page keeps loading forever. Most of the time, this happens because of your internet connection. So here's the first fix: refresh your Wi-Fi connection, restart your router if needed, then reload the page completely. Close the tab, open it again, and try loading the platform one more time. A lot of times, that fixes the issue immediately. Now another common problem. The platform opens, but responses are not generating. This usually happens because the browser session gets stuck or the cache creates conflicts. So here's what you do. Open your browser settings, clear cache and cookies, restart the browser, then open the platform again. After doing this, a simple prompt first, like a short question to test if everything is working again. Now let's talk about freezing issues. If the screen freezes, buttons stop responding, or the site becomes extremely slow, the problem may come from your browser. So here's the fix: switch to another browser. If you're using one browser right now, test it on a different one and see if the problem disappears. This helps you identify whether the issue is browser related. Another very common problem: login issues. Sometimes users can't sign in or they get stuck on the login screen. The fix here is simple: log out completely, close the browser, open it again, and sign back in. This refreshes your account session and often fixes random login bugs. Now, another issue people see a lot: the platform suddenly stops responding during chats. This can happen when prompts are too long, too complex, or overloaded with instructions. So here's the fix: simplify the request. Instead of writing a huge prompt immediately, test a smaller request first. If the short request works, then the issue is probably related to prompt overload. Now let's talk about browser extensions, because this is another big one. Extensions like ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers can interfere with AI platforms. So here's what you should do. Disable your extensions temporarily, refresh the page, and test the platform again. If everything suddenly works normally, then one of the extensions was causing the issue. Now another common problem: the platform works on one device, but not on another. So here's the fix: test a different device completely. If it's not working on your phone, try desktop. If desktop has issues, test another browser or another device. This is one of the fastest ways to isolate the problem. Now let's talk about outdated software. If your browser or operating system is outdated, some features may stop working properly. So make sure everything is fully updated before assuming the platform itself is broken. And honestly, this fixes more problems than people realize. Now, sometimes the issue isn't even on your side. Servers can go down temporarily, especially when too many users are online at once. If nothing works, wait a little, then try again later. A lot of times, the issue fixes itself automatically once server traffic goes back to normal. So, to wrap this up, if ChatGPT is not working in 2026, start with the basics: refresh your internet, reload the page, clear cache and cookie, switch browsers, disable extensions, simplify prompts, and test another device if needed. Because in most cases, the issue is temporary and completely fixable, and once everything starts working properly again, you should be able to use the platform normally without major issues.